How to sign up for Qwen 2.5 Max. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to sign up for Qwen 2.5 Max, you want to open up any web browser. Now search for Qwen, or you can directly head over to chat.qwenlm.ai. Once you get here, click on the sign up option. Now to sign up, enter your full name, then enter your email address. After that is done, you want to create your new password. Then check the box that says you agree with the terms and conditions. Now click on the Create Account option. You can also use your Google account or GitHub account to sign in. Now you want to complete this verification process. After that is done, here it says your account is pending activation. So now you want to open up your mail. Here an activation email has been sent. Click on Activate My Account option. Once that is done, as you can see, your new Qwen account has been created, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.